In today's video, I'll show you how to delete browsing history in Microsoft Edge quickly and easily. Just follow these simple steps and you'll have your browsing data cleared in no time. First, open your Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. Next, click the three-dot menu located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. On the left-hand side, select Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down until you find the Clear Browsing Data section, then click on Choose What to Clear. At the top, you'll see a time range option. If you only want to delete your recent activity, select Last Hour. Once everything is set, simply click Clear Now and your browsing history will be removed instantly. And that's it. That's how you delete browsing history in Microsoft Edge.